you're experiencing server timeout issues in The Sims 4, follow these simple steps to help reduce the occurrence. This guide will provide you with easy solutions to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and strong. You can do this by running a speed test or checking other devices connected to the same network. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching The Sims 4, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and bandwidth, which can help improve game performance and reduce server timeout. Step 3. Update The Sims 4. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs and improve server stability. Check for updates through your game log and install any available updates. Step 4. Adjust game settings. Lowering your in-game settings can help reduce lag and improve connectivity. Go to the Game Options menu and adjust graphics settings, resolution, and other performance-related options to optimize gameplay. Step 5. Change DNS settings. Sometimes changing your DNS settings can improve connection stability. You can switch to a public DNS like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8, 4.4, or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1 by accessing your network settings. This may help with server timeout issues. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce server timeout issues in The Sims 4 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. Happy playing!